Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about house tour and I am standing in front of this garage which I'm going to show you later. So let's move in. So first we enter, we are going to see this living hall. We actually have two living rooms. Other one is in front of kitchen. So we have two living rooms. We decided to keep this for guests or like big gatherings. But right now this is empty. We are waiting for furnitures to be delivered, which is in February first week. So this is Ankit's office because these days we are working from home. So here in this room, we have this blue color. But first, when we came to see this house, I didn't like this color. I'm kind of okay with this color now. So let's move to this area. Half toilet. So half bathroom. Okay, so this is our powder room as Ankit told me. I'll call it half toilet because it doesn't have any tub. So you just have sink here to wash our hands and one toilet for I like this light, though I don't like this color at all. We are gonna change it over the time. So let's move. Okay, so right now we are done with office and garage. Let's move to this part. This is our mini closet. Here, we are gonna keep all our shoes, sandals, like other stuff, vacuum. Now this is so messy, so we are gonna buy shoe rack or shoe organizer, something to keep all our shoes, sandals. And so here we have kitchen. This side we have another living room. This is the best part of this living room. And I like bright colors. As you can see, this living hall and kitchen have dark color. It's kind of mix of green and blue, which I don't like. After putting this coffee table and sofa, you can see it looks better now. There we have white blinds, white sofa and white coffee table. So now, and here, the best part, we have fireplace. Fireplace. So this is the painting we have here. Though it is really small for this area, but because it is painted by me, one and only, so that is why it's here. Otherwise, I'm gonna paint something big in future for. And this is the sofa I wanted to show you. Before this house, we were living in one-bedroom apartment, and Ankit had this recliner because, you know, guys, a special feature. Here we can keep our stuff, like anything, remote or candy or anything which should be handy. We have this light. You can charge your phone, laptop, anything you can charge here actually. This is our breakfast table slash dining table. So here, this is the area we are planning to make a bar. We don't have to vacuum manually in this big house. The backyard. This is the sensor one we bought from Walmart. And sanitizer here, Corona. Let's begin kitchen part from here. So this is our dishwasher.
So now this is not a regular gas, it's an electric gas, and here oven and their microwave. So now this is our air fryer which we recently bought, and it's an instant pot. Here we have a small mini bar. So let's move to fridge now. And these are souvenir magnets which are bought by Ankit. So basically these are the memories of places he has been. And here I'm talking about remaking the center island and whole countertop.
Let's move to our little pantry. So the only disappointment is my pantry, because this is not really big how it should be.
ओके गूगल, लता जी के गाने सुनाओ।
जरूर, यह लीजिए लता मंगेशकर के गानों वाला यूट्यूब म्यूजिक स्टेशन।
Okay, Google. Closet for washing. So this is the common washroom between these two bedrooms.
And this is our bedroom right now, because we had this queen size bed and we wanted to buy a king size bed for our master bedroom. So we moved our queen size bed in this guest room. And here we are in this master bedroom. So I wanted to buy a king size bed according to a theme.
I think we figure out something to make it bigger. I want a bigger sink or counter. We can. Best part of this house. This side is for Ankit. So this side is mine. I keep all my jackets, extra towels, extra stuff here. That side is for my clothes, gowns, dresses. Okay, so I think this is the biggest closet I have ever seen. It's pretty big. I can dance here, I can sleep here, or do whatever I want. And I'm gonna show you this part. Attic. We have heating system, insulation or heater stuff. All those stuff. I don't know much about it. This is our house where we have been living for 2 months. So this is our before video or before picture, before renovating or remodeling anything. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like this video and do let me know in the comment section if you have any ideas or suggestion to remodel this house.